What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street, and welcome back to all of you that are part of the ODS squad. Recently, I posted a video on white t-shirts. Well, a bunch of you pointed out that I was missing one essential, pun intended, t-shirt in the mix, and that was the Essentials t-shirt. Many of you said it's the best t-shirt that you've ever worn, so guess what? I got two packages right here from the Essentials brand. They're actually sponsoring today's video, and I'm super stoked to be unboxing these two to really explore the line for myself. I'm not just gonna look at the t-shirt because they don't just make t-shirts. They've actually expanded their product range since they launched and now have joggers, hoodies, chinos, and shirts. So we're gonna see what's inside here. It's the very first time I'm gonna see the product, so let's unbox this together. Ooh, nice packaging. Even the packaging's high quality already, you can see that. Essentials. For those of you that don't know the brand, right here. Based in Florida, founded by my homie, Jose Zuniga, and I'm stoked to be supporting him today. Okay, we got a white Henley. We got a gray t-shirt. Then we got the joggers, which are updated since the last collections. Then we got the pink hoodie, which I'm super excited about. I love this piece on the website. And another pair of joggers in a tan color. What's important for you guys to know is that all of these pieces are from the new collection. A new collection is launching today at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Usually, these pieces sell out within about 2 days. So if you want to make sure that you get the piece you like in the color you like in the size you need, make sure to go to the website as close to 10 a.m. as possible. And if you want to save a little bit of money, use my code Marcel10 at the checkout, and the link is down below to head to the website so you save 10% of your entire order. So let's take a look at what these pieces look like on me, and then we're gonna figure out which one I'm gonna wear today in the outfit. And we're taking a look at the joggers first. They actually surprised me with the fit. They fit really great. The drawstring obviously makes it really adjustable around the waist, so make it really easy. But the new ones, you have the extra room around the knee, and that's because of something I'm gonna show you with the other pair. I was really surprised by that. That makes it really comfortable to be moving around, even though the fit of the pants is super slim and nice. Even around my butt, like, I think it looks great. Honestly, I have like a little bit of a bigger butt because I used to play soccer, and I actually have to watch out for it a little bit, but they fit phenomenally. I like the length of them. They're a little crop, and I chose to just twist them up a little bit on top of that. Second up, we got the gray pocketed t-shirt. I like this a whole lot. I think if I wanted to wear it with those pants, I would go a little bit more slim. This is a little bit more of a relaxed fit, but I love the way the fabric feels on the skin. The fit is excellent. It is a little bit more relaxed, but like if you see where the shoulders are hitting, it's just phenomenal. I think styling it in a way where you tuck it into your pants and then even roll up the sleeves a little bit, give it a little bit more of a 50s vibe, works amazingly for me. As you guys know, I just unpacked this, so I literally am experiencing this with you guys for the first time as I'm looking at the footage right now with you. Then we have the tan version, and the tan version is the exact same fit, so I'm not gonna waste any time talking about the overall fit, but here I am showing you a little bit more of the details. So how does the Essential create that fit? It's because of that one seam and the dart where the fabric's a little bit overlaid, so that allows you to have a little bit extra room in the knee and a lot more flexibility in that way. Then we have what I'm wearing right now, the Henley, and the Henley is honestly probably gonna be the most anticipated thing for me in this collection. For a lot of you guys, don't forget 10 a.m. today. Try and get there as soon as possible. You probably have like 2 days until most of the stuff is gone. And I love the construction, I love the fit, really nice and slim arms. It feels phenomenal. It really does make you look just a little, like it emphasizes the physique. It makes you look more sexy, it makes you look more attractive. I absolutely have to agree with Jose whenever he does mention it. And then now onto my favorite piece, the hoodie. And for Essentials being an essential brand, the hoodie is, I think, where they had the most fun. Obviously, one with the color, but also with the neckline, just having a little bit of the overlap, and then the hemline where they chose to disrupt the hem to elongate the silhouette a little bit and give you that V shape, even with the hidden pocket, the kangaroo pocket where you can reach all the way through. The length of the Henley now comes in really handy because it's peeking out underneath the hoodie, and I think that looks great. So I know I said I was gonna make an outfit with one of the pieces, but that already works for me. So I'm just throwing on a pair of white sneakers. These are from my own brand, from Ankari Florist. I think it works just too easily to tie in the white of the Henley with the rest of the look. It's a really nice spring look, and it's super comfortable, like ultra comfortable. I'm sitting here, I'm comfortable in what I'm wearing right now. I can work like this, I can run like this if I need to, and with a couple of accessories like these rings and the watch, that's really all you need. So let me show you guys what this looks like in a little bit more. No, wait, one more thing. The Essentials logo on the drawstring of the hoodie, which is like icing on the cake. I love that. So let me show you what this looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure to go shopping right now. Make sure to use my code and make sure to get on it quick because it's gonna be 2 days before most of the stuff is gone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and sub to my channel if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper. Bye.